Okay, this video regarding the earning potential of Udemy, how much you can earn from Udemy, and the potential instructors who can teach Udemy. What are the category of the instructors are available in nowadays who are teaching on the Udemy, and how much they can earn. So this focus, we believe this for 2 points agenda of this class. This class is in the series of the playlist available on the Udemy platform. I am Mohammed Asif Nadeem, registered professional technologist and Udemy instructors. And I'm here with my experiences of the Udemy platform for the last 1 year. So let's start this class. You have to subscribe this channel so that you can never miss any update regarding this very valuable platform to earn money from home. Very authentic platform. I am here for the last 1 year and above. I am much satisfied from their platform. So Udemy is considered as the most suitable option for the students and instructors both to learn skills for their professional careers. I already explained a lot on this point, as well as to earn handsome income through this type of passive income source. Since its inception in year 2010, there are instructors who are attached with Udemy and adopted to Udemy as full-time career. Just like me, I just adopt this Udemy platform for full-time career just 2 to 3 months before, and I have very good results from there. I have not any good result from the YouTube or Facebook, but on the Udemy I am very much satisfied. As far as earning is concerned, instructors at this platform are earning in 4-5 figures income in USD per annum. There are instructors, lots of instructors there. You can check their profiles, and they are much. They are full-time instructors. They are 2 to 3 instructors combined. Make a course in a very shortest possible time and upload it, and their chance of earning is very much bigger. For whom the Udemy is a very important potential category of instructors. Udemy is equally open for all segments of society to earn money by showcase their skills. It is beyond geographical boundaries. It's like other online skills, very just like other YouTube also. Teaching is a profession which is not for all. Very important point. It is a God-gifted technique to transform the skills from your own mind to the others. If you can do, you are welcome to Udemy. If you cannot do, it is not a place for you. Very clear. As per statistics available on Udemy, there are 2 types of instructors who are earning from Udemy. Part-time instructors, just like me, I start the Udemy as a part-time along with my other job. Once I feel the pulse, then I switch to the full-time there and the full-time instructors. Part-time instructors work on Udemy during their spare times or at weekend. Some part-time teachers are also planning to switch to the full-time online teachers career when their income from online sources exceeds for their offline job, just like me. I just when I was my previous business, that was offline business. Then I start the online teaching based on my practical skills on the Udemy. Then I feel that if I give the more time to this platform, I can get very good results. And same thing happened, and I switched to the Udemy for a full time. Retired personnel. These people are well experienced in their relevant fields. Because they have spent lots of time at their specific department, specific their skill. They have both practical and theoretical skills. And additional, they have traveled and lived in multiple countries and areas of the world. Based upon their knowledge, and these people are very successful on Udemy, because Udemy is not a theoretical based study program. It is a practical based, and people like the practical approach in their courses. Multiple professions teaching or demonstrating the skill online needs solid grip on a particular topic. If you have to successful on the Udemy or any other teaching platform, you must have a grip on your topic. You cannot copy paste the material from the Google on the video. Like if you have a topic on the course, there are lots of free stuff available on the yes, okay, the separate topic. We can discuss on this topic separately in the separate video. But you have to focus on your topic so that you can attract the audience. People are only willing to pay for video courses after deep analysis of the instructors. It's obvious. For the purpose, some young instructors develop a team of professionals from multiple backgrounds and skills produce and a course with participation of multiple instructors. As per Udemy policy, each registered instructor under single ID get his her share of revenue as per predefined percentage. It is a separate topic we will discuss in detail. So it's all about this class regarding the potential category of instructors and earning potential of Udemy. Stay blessed. Up to next class. Thank you very much.